Oh my god. I have to do something for Sound On. I have to like cook or something. Man, I can't cook. I'll probably just microwave something. That'll work. Alright, just grab this. Microwave. Oh, that's gonna be so good, man. What? I guess I'll just cook something else. It's still here. Alright. Boom, boom. Start. Alright. Stop being lazy. What? I'm not lazy.
Tried to tell you, I didn't know how to stay. You believe.
Grab beef. Spaghetti. There she is. Got the rice. If it's a presidential address, I should probably like dress it better.
Hey all, this is Artist Representation. I'm Walt and I am here with...
What's up? My name's Daniel.
Very nice. Basically, we're just going to be taking a look at some of Danny's photographs that he took. Alright, so what makes you proud of these photographs?
They capture the feeling I was going for. They, like, when you look at them, you can feel, or I mean, at least I can feel what I felt when I was taking the photographs.
That's great, man. You know, how long do these photographs usually take you?
I mean, it depends. It takes me like 10 minutes for some of them, but for the easier ones, it takes like less time because there's all these factors you have to put into it, like focus, exposure, like contrast. There's all these different settings on my camera, so I have to like figure out exactly how I'm gonna get the photo I want to get.
That's cool. You know, what inspires you to take these photos?
When I see something I like, I take a photo of it, and that's my whole inspiration. I don't really look for anything in particular. I'm not trying to take a photo of anything in particular. Just if I like it, then I can put it in my room, and that's like my whole inspiration.
That's awesome.
Nice.
That's awesome. Sorry for interrupting you. Do you have any advice to like up and coming photographers and artists?
Don't listen to me. Don't listen to anyone. Listen to yourself. Listen to what your mind is telling you, because your mind is right. Your mind knows what it's doing. You don't. That's it.